Hey guys, it's officially December 1st and I am so excited. So I will be doing this little Vlogmas thing. I know that I will not post every single day because that is actually insane with my schedule, because I'm also going to school and I have to edit videos and that just takes a long time. I have to study, which also takes a long time. So I'm just going to do it like my way, and I think that I will post 3 times a week, or that I will do like weekly vlogmas, and then I might post some specific videos. Like there's a closet cleanse coming up. I did edit it today. It's not fully done. It's actually Friday and I haven't posted at all this week just because I did have my exam. I did have a lot of things to do. I've been super sick, like literally guys. I did start filming for a vlog, but I have been so sick that I didn't continue filming it. I might edit it into this video. And also our house is such a mess at this time, and that is also why I'm not going to film every single day when I'm just at home. Cleo's super tired. She's just like sitting here. She's listening to me. Hey! Hey! It's good that I woke her because we are going down to the living room. Hey Cleo! Hey Cleo! Oh hej! Hej hjärtat! Ja hej älsklingen! Literally, she's so cute. Like, I love her. This little girl, like, I love her with all my heart. If anything happened to her, then I will be forever like lost. So I am down in the living room and I thought, since it's December 1st, why not open my advent calendar? And the thing is that I have been waiting to open this since I bought it, and I bought it like back in, I think it was released in October. I just have to point out that our Christmas tree is not done. I don't even know if I like this the way it is right now. I just never finished. We decided to go with a classic red themed Christmas tree. I'm going to show you my advent calendar. It is from Caia Cosmetics, which you have already seen on my channel probably, that I used their products a lot recently. I did a review on their makeup that I bought. I just posted the review now in November because I didn't have a chance to edit it and upload it before. I like the products. I still like them. Yesterday I decided to stop using the setting spray because it doesn't work on my skin. The setting spray is a dewy look. I think I do have very oily skin, which just makes me look sweaty. Like whenever I use that and take pictures, like during the evening, during the dinners, I always look like a sweating freak, you know? It just looks like greasy because I do have oily skin, and it just doesn't fit my face. So today I tried another one that I just got from Smashbox. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I can write it down somewhere here. This is the calendar of the year, and everyone, like, I feel like everyone in Sweden has this, like, the same advent calendar. Even me and my mom, when I bought this, I bought one for me and one for my mom. So this is the advent calendar from Caia Cosmetics. It is a hat box, so it's super pretty. I love the feeling of this. It just feels like a very elegant, classic and chic look. So it looks like this, and you just open it here on the side. Okay, so I did open this because I needed something from it. Okay, I opened 2 of these, but I didn't really open, like, I haven't looked at anything else, but I already know what it contains because I did check out what it was in it before I bought it, because I'm very like careful. I don't want to spend my money on something that I don't like and that I'm not going to use, and that is why I have checked what it contains already, and I already know what I'm getting today, but it would be fun and exciting to open it with you guys. And I am so excited because I haven't tried the products except those 2 lip products that I needed. Let's just do it like this. So you open it here, then let's just put this away. So this is what it looks like inside, and today it is December 1st, of course, but it does look like this. So number 1 is like right here at the side. Let's just open it real quick. Okay, here we have number 1. It also smells like so good. It smells amazing, not gonna lie. It smells like really fresh. Like all of this, like even this one, it smells so fresh. Cleo wants to play with this. Okay, so this is number 1, right? Yeah, so I don't open the wrong one. I have forgotten which one is which. The only one that I do know, I think I know this one. But the others, I know what I get, but I don't know where they are placed, except for this one. So the first thing that I got out is this. I think this is a mascara, or is this the eyeliner? Okay, so this is a mascara. This is the Caia Twist Me Up mascara, and it is in here. I'm going to open it. I just want to get the other thing because there are 2 things in here. And this is the Snatched eyeliner. And let's just open these. See, and I've already done my makeup today, but I don't have any eyeliner on. I do have mascara on, but I'm so bad. Wait, there's this thing in here to stir it up. I don't like putting on eyeliner after mascara, but I'm still going to check it out, and I'm gonna try it tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, Caia Snatched eyeliner looks like, product looks like this. Open it. Wow, wait. Okay, yeah, I really needed this. Like, I have been wearing, it is totally fine. I have been wearing a really budget eyeliner for a while. It is the Isadora, I think. It works fine, but this one is like waterproof. It ruins my lashes when I take it off because it's just so hard to get off. This eyeliner will really come in handy. I really love to wear eyeliner. It's just that I never have time to really fix them that great sometimes because I wake up super early to go to school. But I'm looking forward to trying this tomorrow. I feel like I am a little bit prettier with eyeliner, I'm not gonna lie. Imagine the dark femme vibes. So this is the mascara. It says classy right here, Caia Twist Me Up mascara. Around this it says sassy, cute, classy, edgy. Edgy. Do I say that right? I don't even know. Let's open it and look at it. Oh, okay, so it's pretty big. It's like a big mascara. I'm used to maybe like half of the size of this one. But I feel like this will be pretty nice as well. So the kitchen obviously looks a lot better, but it's still chaos. Like, okay, my dad made some chicken here earlier, but anyways, here we put all these things that are super dangerous for Cleo. So that is why she's not allowed into the kitchen until we get rid of them and really like vacuum clean the floors and everything. Here we do have a lot of trash right here. This one is for the kitchen, for like under here. So this is our new dishwasher and we have not tried it yet. We're going to try it right now when mom gets home and see if it works. But as you can see, it's like, yeah, I don't even know if that will work. I had just cleaned the kitchen right before we got the dishwasher as well, like the same day. So everything was chaos the night that I had just cleaned it all. So that was so annoying. Okay guys, so I'm super tired. It's currently 20 minutes past 11. So we did receive a package with some of the things that we ordered for the Christmas celebration that we're going to have at our house. And we ordered a few things just for this setup, like dining setup. So I'm going to sleep now and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I am currently just standing here. This pizza just got ready. It's a little burnt. I am baking a cake for tonight because me and my mom are going to have just a Saturday night at home, and I am melting the butter right here. It's sugar and egg in here right now, but the rest of the ingredients are gonna go in as soon as this is melted. And we also have some pizza right here. It's just like it just finished. It's a little burnt on the side. Okay guys, so I just got it out of the oven. It's been out for a little bit just so it can cool down a little bit, and I have the other one in here. I just had to go through a lot of trouble to make this all work, so now I really hope it's worth it. So let's see what it looks like. And it looks so good. It looks very like juicy and not dry at all. So this is with cinnamon and what is it called? Ginger, like spices for the ginger taste. So this is what it looks like, and it feels very nice. It's also still warm, and I love to eat them when they're a little bit warm still. Now is a perfect time to prepare a little bit of mulled wine. I don't even know how to pronounce that correctly, but in Sweden it is called glögg, which is a very Swedish like tradition. I think it is in almost every country, but here in Sweden we drink this every Christmas, at least in my family. It's a tradition. This is the one that we have. I'm just going to heat it up on the stove for like about a couple of minutes on very low heat. Oh, and me and my mom today are watching Holiday, which is a Christmas movie with Emma Roberts. Yeah, it's a Christmas movie with Emma Roberts. I'm just going to cut it right here. I'm going to take two of those. Okay, so it looks like this inside. It looks very juicy and like fresh and like super good. Looks so tasty. This is alcohol free. I don't like the mulled wine with alcohol. I don't think it doesn't taste good to me. Maybe it's because this is what I drank as a child, because it doesn't have alcohol, so maybe that is like the nostalgia kicking in, because I don't like it with alcohol. Whenever we drink mulled wine, we always drink from these antique cups. They were my grandparents.
Maybe I ended up doing anything.